Okay, so I'm pretty sick. So this whole weekend, I have not been able to make the monthly recap. So I had a really bad fever and everything. So uh, it sucked, but I'm still sick. And I woke up late this morning for stocks. But I did take a trade, two pretty sloppy trades on ISEE. Um, I was supposed to get filled down here in the 30s on this drop, but I wasn't filled at all. I didn't even get, it's because I pressed control. I'm so tired that I pressed control instead of my hotkey. So I have G keys over here. And when I pressed, buy, I pressed it like two times. It wasn't filling me at the bottom. It actually filled me at like 40 or 50. And I was like, oh man. So I got rid of it up here. I didn't think it was going to bounce the way it's bouncing right now. This one, I went for a quick scalp. I was going to add down here, but I wasn't sure what I was going to do, so I didn't add yet. Then it popped all the way back up, and then I had a strong finish, but I sold pretty soon on it because there was a huge seller at 60, so I decided to get rid of it. But now this thing's climbing hardcore. So let's see what this wants to do. Got the break of 14 there. That was a nice break. Long there for another retest of 14. Not quite gonna get it, I guess. Good stop out, but I'm not really uh, caring right now, if I'm being honest. I should care because I'm in a shit trade for real, but right now I'm not super focused on trading just because I'm sick and I'm again late stopping out there. So I took a small loss on that one. I wanted the break of 14 again, but it took too long for me. I guess I should have waited. It's funny because I waited for these to set up, and these took a while, but I couldn't wait for this one to break above 14. That would have been a nice little break there. See, it's next 5 and 10 minutes should open here. I'm getting long again. 14:05. Looking for the break of 14:10 into 14:20. Really choppy here. Is false break on me. That's okay. We'll add. Looking for a place to add. 1380 is a good place, but I'm waiting for it to break its low here. I don't want to add too soon on this. Well, added way too soon there. Way too high, I guess. And this could just turn on me completely, actually. That's okay. Man. See if we can get somewhere in the 95s. It already spiked up, so it's probably going to drop again. So there's 90 again, 91, 95. It's popping at 95, but it's dropping so quick too. Still waiting for this to come back up, but with those little quick spikes, it's hard to say if this is even gonna do it. 90, can we hit 91 again? My God, man. I should get rid of it here. Gonna break its low. One minute MACD's right there too, 97. Break into 14 here. So in there at 14, got rid of it, broke its 1 minute high, and it's having a lot of resistance there. So not the best 1 minute move. I should have sold here and then bought the dip. But it's whatever. I'm taking a lot larger of share sizes today. Basically my max share size. Pretty sloppy trades, I would say, that I'm making, but overall not red. I'm surprised I'm green, actually. I'm being too aggressive here. I'll take a small start on a short. We'll look for a short back down to 1350. It's the next 5 minutes gonna open here pretty soon, so it's pulling back on me right now. This will probably be my last trade, I think, because it's already time for me to go. Let's even get the drop down to 1350. Need 1370 to break. Hit the 60s. Next 1 minute's about to open here. Finished pretty high. I don't like that. Again, it's probably just pulling back on me real quick. Still think it's a short side potential here, because it's holding this the support to the short side, I guess. Gotta be careful here though. Could just spike on me. I do like its next 5 minute though. I think if it spikes, it's gonna be a false break. I could add at 14. 75, can we break through 75, hit 74. There it is. Can we get to 70 now? Now we have a bear flag here. Could add into it. So break into 60. Not the push I'm looking for. I'm still looking for a drop to 50. Or at least 60 flat. Shift the momentum there. So false break to the downside. We'll try to sell break even here if it comes back down to 75. Try to stop out there at 70. Nope, I wasn't filled. Cancel it. Still have a little faith in its 5 minute. I'll wait it out. Jesus. So no, this is spiking on me. Stopping out. Not filled there. Should I keep waiting? I'm hitting it there. I'm not getting filled at all. There's no way. Huge spike on me here. So, oh, that sucks. I hit the bid there too. See if we can get back below 14. Not quite. Well, selling there for a massive loss. So still up. Jesus, I try to stop out sooner. I should have really stopped out down here when I knew this false break happened, because that's where I knew I should have been long, but I was I was given the 5 minute a little more time than I should have. Even though I knew the 1 minute was setting up with something, it had a quadruple top here, I guess, but kind of like a flag here, an ascending wedge. So I should have known better than to hold that. That's alright. I mean, actually, it's not alright. What am I talking about? That was just an unnecessary, a huge unnecessary loss. 75 all the way to 7, so over a 25-cent loss. 32-cent loss there on 300 shares. And that's because I was up 300 something. So that was just an unnecessary loss. I could get long here again, but I said that was my last trade. That was already too big of a loss. I was definitely pushing it. I tried to stop out a lot sooner in the 90s, but it just wasn't filled. So, oh well. Could get long again, but I think it's going to be a false break. It's whatever. So we're going to finish up 231.24. I'll just wrap it up here. I'm going to shower and all that and then get ready for work. So I will see you all tomorrow. Good day today. It wasn't the best of trades and is really large share size. So it's really hard to say if it was even good trades in general. I don't want to count today. I know I said this last week. I don't want to count certain trades. But I woke up late today. I mean, yes, I am profitable, but I wasn't really like here, I guess. Like it's kind of just, I'll just take big size, see what happens kind of day. Just because I'm sick. So because I didn't really wake up on time and everything, I'm not in the best mentality. I personally don't think I would be trading today. See, like that's why I wanted to get long here, because the next 5 minutes, I was anticipating the next 5 minute make that, but I think it's gonna be a false break, like I said. And we did break that high, but we're all the way back down to 14 now. So I'm not surprised at this false break at all. Whether we'll get another 5 minutes to do that, I have no idea. But yeah. Anyways, I'll try to respond to comments and respond to everything. And I'll also make the video whenever I can, but this weekend I'm going to be out of town again, so I'll try my best. But like I said, I've been sick all weekend, so I haven't had a chance to do anything. Anyway, I'll see you all tomorrow. Hopefully I actually get up on time and everything's cool, like I'm not sick anymore. But we'll see. So see you all then. Also, thank you. I saw the Twitch comment. I don't read Twitch comments anymore. I for some reason I usually just see them at the end of the stream, but I just saw one right now. Thank you for the well wishes. I really do appreciate it, and I'm really glad that y'all still tune in. And it's nice to see that y'all are consistently tuning in, because every now and then I do see the Twitch comments, basically towards the end, if not after my stream. So I appreciate y'all still tuning in. But thanks for everybody on Twitch and YouTube. I'll see you all tomorrow.